see. Let's look at these scans. ABNB is up. It ain't up significantly. I'm still down on my position. Hit a high of 179.61. I needed to go above 180. Get into this 185 area. So tonight, well, after the close, we got Google reporting and Microsoft, which I got a sell signal on. I might take that only because their options are not really that expensive. This is one of the few stocks that whose volatility isn't that high compared to others. So I might look to take this position. Dash. So Microsoft reports, Google reports, and AMD reports. You look at that dash. I'm gonna show you Tesla in a few seconds. They reported yesterday, but I'm gonna show you how there really isn't any money in making option plays, especially on the buy side, during earnings. So they reported yesterday, and even though I had a sell signal here and it's down, let me show you what the options did. You're talking about a $30 4% move on the downside. You would think the puts would be up well over 100 to 200%. As you can see here, look at the small gains on the put side. Right now it's at 707. Tesla is at $707. And look at the percentages. It's not even worth. It wasn't even worth your risk. I think what I was looking at was my price range was right around the, I want to say the 665. Hold on. It was the 650, maybe the 650. Nah, even that was high. That was $350. So my price range probably would have been around the 630s. Would have made me a loser. That's what I'm, want to show you guys about earnings plays. The level of volatility is so high that it's just not in your interest. The risk reward ratio is not in your interest to take those trades. So Again, price is everything. Dash made a strong move up, and even though I'm getting a sell signal on the daily, I need a line up. So JBM. Take that. Let me take that Microsoft. And again, I'm only taking Microsoft because of the volatility. The volatility isn't that high. Let's look at it. They're anticipating a close to $7 move. I'm gonna look at the 255. I think it's around $130. But as you can see, the volatility on the contract. This is the volatility of all the options for every weekly, for every strike, and volatility is around 4%. I mean 41%. So Microsoft has been on a tear. It's in a, you see this advance, it's been in an advance. If you look at that 2-day chart, you can see it in the weekly. It's been in a strong advance, so it may disappoint. We'll see. I'm definitely gonna take the trade though. I'm gonna get into 255. It's at $130 right now. This one right here. This strike 255. Cause they pretty much still bidding it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that risk. Snap. Sell signal on Snap too, but it's not a lineup. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off on that Snap. I'm gonna hold off on Snap, I'm gonna hold off on Dash. Because Dash gave me a nice advance today. You see the daily chart. I wanna wait for tomorrow's bar. Because they might continue with this advance. ABNB is showing resistance to move higher. But I'm gonna just go ahead and let that play out. Because again, I got a weekly signal on it, so I'm gonna let that play out. We'll see what it does in the next couple days. And again, I'm still down $40. I need for it to penetrate that 180 for this contract to go up to around $200. Right now it's at 77. I got in at 117. So we'll let that play out. So Microsoft, and Excuse that background noise. It's that time of year, so pardon that. Zoom. I'm in Microsoft at 139. I went ahead and executed that trade. So y'all can see that. So I'm in at 139 to 255. Put. See if I can double up. Let's look at JPM. JPM is at 151.32. So I'm going to be looking at this 150. Snatch two of them. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Hold up. Oh. Okay, the 150. Dash again, I'm gonna wait on Dash. And on 259, I'm gonna get into the JPM. So after the close, Microsoft reports, we'll see what happens. It may be a sell the news event, or they may continue to bid it up. I'm okay with laying the $139 on that bet. I'm okay with that risk. So let me go ahead and get in this JPM. Let me see. $52.50. So I'm in JPM puts at $73. So I'm in Microsoft. JPM. I'm holding off on Dash because I think it's gonna, let me see, Dash put would cost me, let's see, 162.37. I'll wait till tomorrow's bar to get into that. See, Microsoft is continuing to be bidded up. That's why it's always best to just wait. closer and closer to the close. Oh, it's selling off now. Yeah, it's selling off. The bar. That's that late activity. So, Microsoft closed at 262.18. And JPM 151.22. So I'm in 2 JPM contracts, and I'm in 1 Microsoft contract. I'm going to go ahead and update this real quick. So Microsoft. So in JPM, hold on 1 second. 150. So I got $413 at risk. So I still got money to play with for the week. We'll see how these positions pan out. Microsoft, I don't know, soon. But we'll see what happens. You guys have a good one. Later.